Little Red Southern Kitchen. It's cooling off a little bit here, not a whole bunch, but a little bit. So we're making chili in the Instant Pot. So I've got my Instant Pot on saute now, and I've got a little over 2 pounds of ground chuck. Y'all know chuck, right? So I'm going to put him in there. Then I've got a pound of regular sausage, breakfast sausage. That I'm going to add to this. I like my chili meaty. So I'm going to let this cook down a little bit, or quite a bit. I'm going to let it cook, and then I'm going to drain it if need be. Hopefully I won't need to drain it too much. I've also got 2 medium onions that I'm going to add in here. And a bag of my chopped green peppers, which is about equal to about 2, honestly. So I'm going to cook all this, and we will bring y'all back whenever everything's cooked and drained. Alright guys, I'm back. I want to add some seasonings, and I forgot to add garlic. But I just got a phone call. We went to a craft fair last weekend, and I entered into a Pampered Chef giveaway, and I won. I won a $40 to $50 item. So I'm excited. I don't know what I'm getting, but alright, I'm gonna add some garlic dish. I know I like my garlic, so I'm gonna add some salt and some pepper. I am gonna add some smoked paprika. I'm not gonna add the chili powder yet, of course. I never can get the right one for this, but I want to add about a teaspoon of or so the smoked paprika. Now this is almost done, but I'm gonna let it cook a little bit longer. Stir this up and let all the flavors meld. I am gonna have to drain it a little bit, so whenever I come back, I will have this drained, and we'll go to the next step. I'll be back shortly. Alright guys, I've drained my meat and my veggies. First thing I'm going to do is I've got a dark stout lager. And this isn't going to be a tomato board one. And I'm going to pour, this is a 12-ounce lager. Next, I'm going to add a 20-ounce can of petite diced tomatoes. I have to be, constantly watching, make sure that I don't go past the thing. I've got a 15.5-ounce can of chili beans. Tony likes the beans more. I could care less about the beans. Remember I told you about the fire roasted tomato salsa? I'm going to add this, and this is going to be all that I'm going to add to this besides the chili powder. Now, when it comes to chili powder, I'm a little strange. I go a lot by how dark it looks. And that's right at the end. But I'm probably not going to do over 2 tablespoons of chili powder. I mean, yeah, 2. Because I don't want it hot in no way, shape, or form. This will be going in the freezer. This is very thick and meaty. I'm going to add another half a tablespoon. Look at that. Tony will like this because, like I said, it's not tomato board. And that Guinness lager is going to help it a lot. Alright, only thing we're going to do now, oh my God, the first time, make sure it's set to steam, and you want to put it on 20 minutes, high pressure, and after the 20 minutes you want it to release itself, do a natural release all the way down till when that goes back down, when all the pressure is released. Alright, we'll see y'all in 20 minutes, and we'll have all the chili with all the fixings. See you shortly. Alright, I'll let this naturally release. It took a little over 30 minutes. Now, for our fixings, here in the South, we like Fritos. Sonic used to have this thing called a Frito pie, and it was Fritos, chili, and cheese. I'm just going to fix my bowl. I wish I had some jalapenos. I like the tame ones. I also don't have any green onions, but this is good enough. Oops, that was Tony's. Anyway. Your spoon. Got some Fritos. I also have some oyster crackers if Tony wants those. You know what? This is all about me today. No. I am so hungry. Look at all that meat. Oh, I don't know what the heck I'm doing with this chili.
I thought you was putting another layer on top.
No, we don't want to layer it today.
Okay. Making lasagna chili. First a layer of chili.
Hey, don't give me an idea.
Oh, geez.
Alright guys, our Instant Pot Chili is done. I'm about ready to eat. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, check out my giveaway. It ends on October 4th. But you've got to watch the video to figure out what you need to do. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. When you do hit the bell notification, be notified every time I upload a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Share this out on your social media. Leave me a comment. And give me a big thumbs up. Y'all have a good one. Supper's ready. Bye.